What I'm hoping is we can get the gearbox apart without having to separate the track. Up at this end, I've got this bicycle spoke in there to show where the join is. There should be a short length of wire or something in there. It's missing from this side, but it's in place on the other side. That's what links, that's the linking tread at that point. The others are just straight through, but that particular one has a spine down it to join it together. But I'm hoping I can reach through and undo the screws. One there. That one's going to be a little bit awkward. That one should be all right. And there's one there, so there's 4 screws to get to. And if we're lucky, we can then get the case apart and have a look at the gearbox. If we're unlucky, then we're going to have to separate the track. It's funny how sometimes screws want to come out and other times they don't. There's one. 2. 3. And the other one dropped inside. Now, is that going to come off? Oh yeah, there we are. I should be able to get to the other screw. There we are. Right, let's move it over so we can see. Not bad sized motors. Don't know whether that will lift out now. No, it won't. We'll have to undo some more screws if we want to see the gearbox. To be honest, I don't see a lot of point in looking at the gearbox. But somebody's going to want to see it, aren't they? I wonder which screws hold it in place and which ones. It's going to be awkward if all the gears drop out when it's still stuck in position. One. Well, that moved then. Looks like I've still got to undo them all. Oh, that's frustrating. We're coming free. Coming free, but we're not free enough, or are we? Can I lever it out? No, I think I'm going to have to disconnect the track. Or can we see enough there? We might be able to see enough there. If I can probably still get the cover off. So that screw and that screw were the ones that screwed it to the bodywork, and this screw and that screw are the ones that hold the gearbox together. So if we do this, it's either going to all fall out and I'm going to be upset, or we're going to be exceedingly lucky. I think we're going to be lucky. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Right, we can see it. All right, so it's another worm gear, which clearly drives that gear, which has got a small gear on the back of it, which drives that gear that's got a small gear on the back of it, which drives that gear, which is the actual drive on the shaft. Can we see that clearly enough? Yeah, I think we can see that clearly enough, so I'm not going to worry about going any further. There's a bit of hair in there, but I think we're all right. I'll see if I can clean that out, and then I'll put the cover back on, and we've seen enough. That's it, because the one on the other side is going to be exactly the same, so that'll do. I will give it a final test, but I'll just point out these are the two bits that I found inside that were broken. That silver piece just there was from the linkage that went up in the arm, and that black piece was in the base that stopped the body rotating more than 360 degrees. It was a stop to stop you going all the way around. Now that I could probably make a complete replacement, a T-piece that I could glue to the base with that bit sticking up to stop it going all the way around. That piece, potentially I could probably put a bolt right the way through from the other side, but I don't think I'll do either. It works. If I give it away, then whoever uses it may have problems with it, but I may keep it for a while and just see if my grandchildren, grandsons in particular, want to play with it, and then I may get rid of it. So a final demonstration. Well, camera stopped filming then for some reason, no idea why. But yeah, it's all working. I don't think I'll worry about the couple of bits that are broken because it still works even though those little bits were broken. I'll see if my grandsons enjoy it and then I'll probably donate it back to another charity shop. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.